Hello. So now that we have discussed the terminologies related to a parabola, let us see that how we will find the equations or the coordinates related to those terminologies. The first thing that we discussed in a parabola was the vertex. What was a vertex? Vertex was the point of intersection of the axis of the parabola and the conic. Conic in this case is the parabola itself. So the point of intersection of the parabola and the axis was known as the vertex. If you see in this standard parabola means what? The equation in this case is y square is equal to 4ax. So when the standard parabola is given to you, which is y square is equal to 4ax, you can very well see from the graph that this point is the vertex because it is the point of intersection of the axis and the parabola. This point over here is 0, 0. So the vertex, the coordinates of the vertex in this standard parabola are what? 0, 0. Now coming to the coordinates of focus. The coordinates of the focus are basically the coordinates of the fixed point. For the standard parabola, what was the fixed point that we considered? The point was a, 0. And what was a? A was the distance between the vertex and the focus. Okay, so the coordinates of focus are a, 0. The third thing is equation of the directrix. What was directrix? Directrix was the fixed line. Okay, so this fixed line is known as your directrix. And what is the equation of this directrix in the standard form of a parabola? It is x is equal to minus a. The thing that we have to understand from here is that the distance between the directrix and the vertex is equal to the distance between the vertex and the focus. This distance is also a units. This distance is also a units. So the distance between the vertex and the focus and the vertex and the directrix is equal. And that is why the equation of the directrix becomes what? X is equal to minus a. Now coming to the equation of the axis. What is axis? Axis is the line about which our parabola is symmetric, which in this case becomes this line, which is your x-axis. And what is the equation of x-axis? The equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. So the equation of axis in this case will be your y is equal to 0. The other things that we discussed over here were latest rectum, double ordinates. Now double ordinates we have already discussed are the chords that are perpendicular to the axis, and latest rectum is the double ordinate which passes through focus. Now we will discuss about what is the equation of the latest rectum and what are the coordinates of the extremities of your latest rectum. Now we will discuss about the latest rectum. What did we understand about the latest rectum? That latest rectum is a double ordinate that passes through focus. So firstly, let us understand the definition. A double ordinate through the focus is called the latest rectum. That is, the latest rectum of a parabola is a chord passing through focus and perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. Now they are saying that if you consider a parabola which is in its standard form, which is y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, so the parabola is something like this. This is a parabola, y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, now they are saying if S is the focus and L and L dash are the extremities of the latest rectum. Suppose this is L and this is L dash. Now we know that L dash is a line which is perpendicular to your axis. Okay, now they are saying that SL is equal to SL dash, which is equal to lambda. Why is these two lengths equal? Because about the axis the parabola is symmetric. So this distance LS or SL will be equal to the distance SL dash, which is equal to lambda. So they have assumed that this distance is lambda. What were the coordinates of the focus in a standard parabola? They were a, 0. If the coordinates of the focus are a, 0, one thing that we can note from here is that the coordinates, the x coordinates of L and L dash will be a. So we know that the x coordinate of L will be a and the x coordinate of L dash also will be a. Why? Because this line LSL dash is a line which is perpendicular. So that means the x coordinate will be same throughout this line. Okay, so the coordinates of L will be a, lambda. Why a, lambda? Because this distance y is lambda. So this will become a, lambda. Now this point L is lying on the parabola. If this point is lying on the parabola, it will satisfy the equation of the parabola. That means y square is equal to 4ax will be satisfied by this point. So if I substitute this point in the parabola, I will get lambda square is equal to 4a square. From here I will get lambda is equal to plus minus 2a. That means one coordinate will be a, 2a and the other coordinate will be a comma minus 2a. If these are the two coordinates, what can you say about the distance LSL dash? This distance is lambda. So this distance is basically equal to 2a, and this distance is also 2a because SL is equal to SL dash. That means the total distance LL dash will be equal to 4a. So what is the length of the latest rectum? The length of the latest rectum is given by 4a.